Mad koe. Hier stoeten of nu, says a farmer to the koe. It's a good job I know, that you dinna hae a clue. And a koe he just good moo. You're ready for a plate, so's that all good folks can eat. If nae tjoch, you'll mak fine meat, 'cause I've set your dinner dead. And a koe he just good moo. You're stuiten van je gang, but you winna stuit for long. The knocker man's here nu, and you hinna got a clue. And a koe he just good moo. A knocker fired the bolt, and it gave the koe a jolt. It dropped it to its knees, for our dinner, thank you please. And a koe's last soon was moo. A farmer cooked the beef, but the beef had get him grief. It said, "Div you like my taste? Enjoy my fowl you last." And a farmer he was fool. A farmer looked grim, 'cause the beef had spoke to him. "Aye, you dinna hae a clue, that your beast he had mad koe." And the farmer just said moo.